Good morning, students. I am Priya. You are watching EduStar Class 3 English Grammar Term 1 Revision. In this session, we are going to revise only grammar for your Term 1 English exam. In grammar, from lesson 3 to 7 is your Term 1 portion. Lesson 3 nouns. Lesson 4 singular and plural nouns. Lesson 5 gender. Lesson 6 pronouns. Lesson 7 articles. Refer only grammar book for Term 1 grammar exam. Let's start the revision. First, lesson 3 nouns. Nouns are naming words. A noun, that is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing, is called proper noun. For example, the words Leela, New York, Sunday, MG Road, Jupiter and etc. are proper nouns. The proper noun begins with a capital letter. A noun that gives a general name to people, animals, places or things is called a common noun. For example, the words girl, city, day, road, planet and etc. are common nouns. The common noun doesn't begin with a capital letter, it begins with small letter. Nouns that name group of people, animals or things are called collective nouns. For example, a brood of chicks, a crew of sailors, a pile of stones, a gaggle of geese, a bunch of roses, a pride of lions. Here, the words brood, crew, pile, gaggle, bunch, pride represent the collective nouns. Dear students, refer your grammar book for more collective nouns. Now write P for proper nouns, C for common nouns. Car, common noun. Shirt, common noun. July, proper noun. Taj Mahal, proper noun. Festival, common noun. Yamuna, proper noun. Cartoon, common noun. Nilgiris, proper noun. Here proper nouns begin with capital letter and common nouns begin with small letter. Next, identify the collective nouns in these sentences. A flock of sheep grazed in the field. Here the collective noun is flock. The pack of wolves howled at midnight. Correct, pack. I dropped the bunch of keys in the drain. Yes, bunch. Our dog gave a litter of 6 puppies. Correct, litter. Now, let's revise the next lesson, that is lesson 4, singular and plural nouns. A noun that tells us about only one person, place or thing is called a singular noun. A noun that tells us about more than one thing is a plural noun. Let's see how to change singular into plural. Most nouns change from singular to plural by adding s. For example, book, books, cap, caps, window, windows, pen, pens. If a noun ends with yes, 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 ch, x and o, we add es to form plural. For example, bus, buses, class, classes, ash, ashes, bench, benches, tax, taxes, tomato, tomatoes. If a noun ends with consonant plus y, drop the y and add a es. For example, study, studies, duty, duties. However, If a noun ends with vowel plus y, we only add s to make the plural. For example, play, plays, boy, boys. Nouns ending in f or fe become plural by replacing f or fe with ves. For example, wolf, wolves, knife, knives. Some nouns that end with f take only s to form plurals. For example, cliff, cliffs, roof, roofs. Some nouns change completely in plural form. For example, child, children, tooth, teeth, person, people, louse, lice, man, men, mouse, mice, foot, feet, ox, oxen, and etc. There are some nouns that do not change whether they are singular or plural. For example, sheep, fish, deer, hare, rice, coffee, and etc. Some nouns used only in the plural form. For example, trousers, oats, scissors, spectacles, binoculars, and etc. Now, find the plural form of the given nouns. Fox, foxes, watch, watches, donkey, donkeys, country, countries, film, films, leaf, leaves. Next is Lesson 5 Gender. Nouns can be divided into male and female groups. This kind of a division is called gender division. There are two kinds of gender. We use masculine nouns for males. This is called masculine gender. We use feminine nouns for females. This is called the feminine gender. The masculine and feminine nouns are used for people as well as animals. Let's see some examples of masculine and feminine nouns for people. Actor, actress. Landlord, landlady. Priest, priestess. Bridegroom, bride. Husband, wife. Boy, girl. Father, mother. Brother, sister. You can refer this box for more masculine and feminine nouns for people. Some animals have completely different words for masculine and feminine gender. For cattle, the masculine gender is bull, feminine gender is cow. For horse, masculine is stallion, feminine is mare. For lion, masculine is lion and feminine is lioness. You can refer this box for more masculine and feminine nouns for animals. A noun that denotes lifeless thing is said to be of the neuter gender. Neuter means neither male nor female. Pencil, book, cup, table, brick are some examples of neuter gender. Now find whether the given nouns are masculine, feminine or neuter gender. Steward, masculine gender. Doe, feminine gender. School, neuter gender. Nun, feminine gender. Emperor, masculine gender. Tree, neuter gender. Wife, feminine gender. King, masculine gender. Next lesson is Lesson 6 Pronouns. We use pronoun in place of a noun. The pronouns are categorized into two types. One is subject pronouns, another is object pronouns. Pronouns that are used in place of the subject of the sentence are called subject pronouns. The words I, he, she, it, they, you and we are pronouns that are used in place of the subject of the sentence. So, these words are subject pronouns. Pronouns that are used in place of the object of the sentence are called object pronouns. For example, me, him, her, it, them, you, and us are object pronouns. They come in place of the object in the sentence. Look at this table. These are subject pronouns. These are object pronouns. Here, I becomes me, we becomes us, you becomes you, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it, they becomes them. Now underline the subject pronouns and circle the object pronouns in these sentences. I saw him yesterday. Here the subject pronoun is I, object pronoun is him. She broke it. The subject pronoun is she, object pronoun is it. We went out with them. Here subject pronoun is we, object pronoun is them. They were waiting for us. Subject pronoun is they, object pronoun is us. Who is sitting next to you? Here the object pronoun is you. Next is lesson 7 articles. A, an, and the are articles. We use a and an when we talk about a common noun for the first time. For example, my sister wore a long pink dress yesterday. Here we are talking about the pink dress for a first time, so we are using a here. We use a with a singular noun and begins with a consonant sound. For example, a parrot, a giraffe, a boy. We use an when a noun is singular and begins with a vowel sound. For example, an orange, an egg, an apple. Remember, we never say a cats and elephants because cats and elephants are plural nouns. For words like honor, honest, and hour, we use an because in these words H is silent. For example, an honest man, an hour. Although the words university and uniform begin with vowel, but we use a before to them because they begin with a consonant sound. For example, a university, a uniform. Let's see where do we use article the. We use the before to the nouns starting with vowels as well as consonants. We use the when we have already talked about the thing. For example, Sudha eats an egg for breakfast. The egg is boiled. Here we already mentioned about the egg. So in the second sentence, we are using the before to this egg. We use the when we talk about something in particular. For example, the cupboard is made of wood. Here we are talking about the particular cupboard. We use the when there is only one of something. For example, the earth, the sun, the moon, the sky, and etc. We use the before to the name of buildings, rivers, oceans, hills, mountains, holy books, and etc. For example, the Red Fort, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Nilgiri Hills, the Quran. Now choose the correct option. I had dash nice lunch. The answer is A. Mumbai is dash big city. The answer is A. Dash dog that bit me ran away. The answer is the. Please give me dash apple. The answer is an. Dear children, I hope you got some idea about grammar term 1 portion. Refer your grammar book well Practice more exercises from these lessons 3 to 7. Dear students, write English Term 1 exam in the test note. Use pencil to write the test. Write page number, your roll number, name, subject and date. Write only answers. No need to write questions. Write the Roman letters and question numbers correctly. In your test note, leave one line between each and every lines you are writing. Your test note presentation should be neat. Dear parents, once your ward completed the test, take clear image of the test note pages and send us through mail. While sending mail, mention your ward's roll number and which subject you are attaching in mail. Parents, the Term 1 portions, timetable and model question papers are uploaded in our school app. Refer model question paper well. Dear students, all the best for your English Term 1 exam.